Do you know the rules of the road? Obey traffic signs and signals. Stay safe while driving. Red means stop. Green means go. Yellow means slow down. Watch for pedestrian crossing signs. Yield to pedestrians at crosswalks. Look out for stop signs. Come to a complete stop. Signal before turning or changing lanes. Follow speed limits. Slow down in school zones. Be aware of parking regulations. Avoid using your phone while driving. Keep a safe following distance. Use your headlights at night. Stop for school buses with flashing lights. Yield to emergency vehicles. Respect the right-of-way. Observe one-way street signs. Look for no U-turn signs. Pay attention to construction zone signs. Don't drive under the influence. Watch for cyclists and yield to them. Use your mirrors when changing lanes. Check blind spots before turning. Don't make illegal U-turns. Don't block intersections. Keep to the right except when passing. Observe roundabout rules. Don't exceed the speed limit. Give pedestrians the right of way. Stay alert and focused. Share the road with others. Be a responsible and courteous driver.